Okay guys, it's Jax back again, and today we're going to be trolling kids with soundboards, like this one.
I should do that.
Let's get into it.
There's gonna be the claws back. The original claws.
Oh, and if y'all want the app, it's... God damn, I'm stuck. And if y'all want the app, it's called Meme Soundboard 2024. So I'm going to be trolling kids with it.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Papi Muñeño. I'm gonna play mini games. I'm gonna play mini games. You wanna play another game? Yeah, I'm gonna play mini games. I'm play mini games. Is it okay? I'm taller than you, little kid. I'm taller.
I got a good one.
I'm taller than both of y'all. Now get down here, bro. Get down here right now, boy. I'm back here. I'm calling you. Kid, I wanna play mini games. Kid died.
What's up? Good night. Take your time. Get your light. Turn it down.
I'm back. I'm back.
Famous Dookie.
Yo, sir. I wanna play mini games. Kid, I wanna play mini games. Kid, I wanna play mini games. I got that one, you. Wait, there is my
Oil match. Play now.
Let's go back up there, yeah? Come on.
Oh, I just peed on myself.
Kid. Hey, you. Kid.
It's about time. It's about power. We say I'll be back.
Oh my god, I suck at elevator.
Hey, do you know if you fall, you take fall damage and you die? If you fall, you take fall damage and you die. Hey, kid, bro. Hey, you. Kid, you know if you fall, you're gonna lose.
Oh my fucking god. I gotta hear.
Stop lying.
Nice to meet you.
I'm gonna
Can I shake hands?
Bye, I gotta go, Pink. I gotta go. Hold on, let's just take a picture. Let's take a picture. Oh, bye.
One bad bitch, if you do it, I say so. 2 big footies and a big ass Draco. 3 more minutes, that's how my day goes.
Okay, there. Hold on, give me a second. That was quick me. Give me a second.
Oh, that's an ad. Oh my god, I hate my own.
I wanna play mini games. Kid, I wanna play mini games. I wanna play mini games. Man, nobody don't like to play mini games.
Oh my god, I'm trying to press a thing on the soundboard. No, no, this stupid little arm of mine.
I can do that. Okay, I got the photo. I'm gonna play mini games. why. Tell me why. Tell me fucking why.
360 over the
5-year-old say.
Let's settle this beef. Don't mess with my crew.
Why the fucking everybody say my name?
What you want, boy? You don't know I'm a YouTuber? I'm filming right now.
China, 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 China.
Oh, I got it.
This is bad.
I swear to God. So good.
It's hard when you have one hand.
I'm gonna push you, Blue. I'm gonna push you.
Oh.
I'm gonna push you. I'm gonna push you.
I'll keep that thing on me. God damn it, Bobby. They see me
I pushed you and now I'm gonna body slam you.
No. Oh no, it's an ad. Oh my god.
Go Chinese boy.
Not those actually.
Bro, that was so funny.
Fantastic, I wouldn't have been.
Bring your trip to life with Expedia's ChatGPT integration.
Is my best friend's gone.
Shut up about mini games.
Logan.
Shut up about minigames.
Like, you've made it.
Wait, guys, can I show you something? Can I show you something?
How did you put the sound bar? How did you put the sound bar?
Bro, that kid loved me, bro. Do it again.
I literally just saw him a few seconds.
What are you doing in the book? Come here.
Hey, comment down below on which comment down below on which meme sound should I do that I haven't done. Just comment down below. And yeah, let's get back into it. It's an ad.
Never talk.
Daisy 09. Daisy 09. No, it's Daisy 09. What? Students? No way.
Hey, Black. Hey, Blue. Hey, Blue.
Wrong.
Hey, Daisy. Hey, Daisy.
If you're real, play Daisy 09 and chase it. If you're real, play Daisy.
Now, guys, now, bro, do you want to do a bonus? Hey, yo, if you're real Daisy 09, play the music. Play the music if you're real Daisy Sticking out your gap through the river. You're so skibbity. You're so phantom pack. I just wanna be your Sigma.
What the soft Halloween at 8 Harvest Collection.
He's cutting
Oh,
on
it's
his
a-
music.
Spectacular Harvest Lane Halloween.
Yeah, if he chases me, he's real. I mean,
I think this run is banned. Bannable.
wait, no. He's going to kick.
Yeah, I think that's bannable. Alright, that's all for today. We'll see you next time. And make sure you like and subscribe. And bye.